Cockroach Janta Party protest. If you tell me tomorrow morning I get up and that the founder of CJP has been arrested on the airport, I will believe it.
विश वो लोग सक्सेस हो जाए और अपना यूथ का वॉइस बाहर आए.
अगर यूथ का वॉइस बाहर आ गया तो वो लोग तो लाइक कहीं के नहीं रहे.
अरे सामने आदमी होता तो तुम उसे क्या कहते?
थोड़ी शर्म कर ले.
इतनी मस्त मारी होती कि लाइक
सीबीएसई में जो अभी हुआ है, तुमने पेपर दिया, तीनों के पेपर एक्सचेंज हो गए. बड़ी
According
मेहनत
to
करी.
some people, nationality भी change हो गई.
इतना सब हुआ. एजुकेशन मिनिस्टर कहाँ थे?
Really think through. Go to therapy if you need it, but please think it through.
Hello guys, welcome to Samachar of the Week and we have some special guests with us.
Hi, myself Ashika. I am 15.
Hi, my name is Hriday. I am 14.
हेलो आई एम आरना एंड आई एम 13.
सीबीएसई में जो अभी हुआ है, ऑन स्क्रीन मार्किंग. तुमने पेपर दिया, तीनों के पेपर एक्सचेंज हो गए. तुमने के मार्क्स एक्सचेंज हो गए. तुमने बड़ी
According
मेहनत
to
करी.
some people, nationality भी change हो गई.
आपको
मेरा
क्या
तो
लगा?
बोर्ड है ये साल, तो आई एम इवन मोर स्कैर्ड कि हमारी ओएसएम ना हो जाए.
और ऐसे बढ़ा के देते तो अभी भी समझता, बट ऐसे घटा के दे रहे बेचारे बच्चे जिन्हें नहीं पढ़ना, अभी उन्हें अच्छे मार्क्स दे दिए. सोचा जिन्हें नहीं पढ़ना और उन्हें अभी इतनी अच्छी कॉलेज में एडमिशन मिल गया और पेरेंट्स का प्रेशर, बोर्ड्स ने कर लिया, अभी इधर तो हो ही जाएगा. लाइक बेचारे लोग
उनको
फंस
पता है.
जाएंगे.
And also, I think it's really unfair to the kids in the rural areas because they are also, some of them also studying from CBSE. So, if you see the textbook which we are studying from, the questions are very basic. The level at which they asked in the exam,
हाँ.
it's really unfair because some kids in the rural areas, maybe textbook is their only resource. They're not able to, go to tuitions or like have these sample papers ki itni books. I think I heard this clip of some CBSE director, I don't know what, concept सिखा दिया तो कर लो, अभी कुछ भी पूछ नहीं. If every action has a equal and opposite reaction, तो rocket बना दे हम बैठ के. It's really, they really do not think before saying.
According to you guys, वो लोग ज्यादा अपना दिमाग यूज नहीं कर रहे पढ़ाई को लेकर.
बिल्कुल
1%
मतलब
भी नहीं.
For no
can't
reason at all.
relate with this that much, but I feel really lucky being an ICSE student. But I used to feel like ICSE में इतना पढ़ना है, CBSE अच्छा था, but I feel like ICSE अच्छा है.
If you're seeing the curriculum, it's like pretty boring to be honest. But then the teachers are making it so interesting, and I think the teachers are what is holding up the system. But now we are seeing a lot of teachers also.
Giving up on it. आके तुम जाओगे अभी और there is going to be some of you guys or your friends would do NEET. तुमको पता है क्या हुआ था उसमें?
Yes.
Paper leak.
इतना सब हुआ. एजुकेशन मिनिस्टर कहाँ थे? इतना सब एक साथ, एक के पीछे. Like really sad for the kids who are facing this. कितने suicide हुआ because of this.
नीट एग्जाम लीक हुआ, उसके बाद CUET में थोड़ा गड़बड़ हुआ. Then one SSC exam, there was some locha in that. So when you're seeing,
series
9th की टेक्स्ट बुक्स नहीं आई, 10th का ये हुआ, 12th का ये हुआ, this entire pattern, it's like a erosion of trust. मतलब students are not trusting the system only. So I think they should have really thought it through. Again, I'm saying really think through. Go to therapy if you need it, but please think it through.
आई फील अभी तो लग रहा है गवर्नमेंट भी इसमें ही सपोर्ट कर रही है. गवर्नमेंट ही ऐसे पेपर लीक करी है या वैसे, एंड देन दे आस्क व्हाई पीपल हैव ट्रस्ट इश्यूज.
But the worst part is there is like the government is not giving a solution, rather than he is giving explanation to the like you आपको वो करना
इट्स
था, ये
जस्ट
करना था.
लाइक एक्सक्यूजेस. बच्चों की जिंदगी से खिलवाड़.
It's like a real social experiment I'm seeing in front of me.
And they don't want a target audience, they want to test it on the entire like entire population. They want the
का
exact
सैंपल साइज सब है.
sample size ही नहीं है.
I don't feel ये सब करने के बाद हमें कॉकरोचेस बोल रहे हैं. Like
Irony.
कॉकरोच
No,
हम हुए या वो हुए, आई डोंट गेट द पॉइंट.
है ना, हम जैसे लोगों को जो 18 साल के हो गए, डिग्री है, काम नहीं कर रहे, काम मिल नहीं रहा है किसी कारणों की वजह से, हमको कॉकरोच बोला उन्होंने.
How did he think of that? But then also he even gave a clarification after that कि I'm तो very inspired by the youth and stuff. But then I'm also thinking कि the Britishers used to call us a lot of things. For example, that Norwegian journalist thing that happened in the middle, Heli Ling. So I think they had released one article about like Modi ji, and then there's this Sapera guy, and then there was a lot of outrage. Ye kaise, this is the Britishers ke time ka slurs and you're using it on us. But then this CGI is only using such slurs and such comments. So then I'm like, what is this hypocrisy की भी सीमा होती है.
तुमको ये वाली पता है?
Cockroach Janata Party.
कॉकरोच जनता पार्टी.
You can't call people cockroaches.
खुद के नेशन के लोग लाइक सिटीजन्स के बारे में बोल रहे हो, you should have helped them more than rather than saying that they are cockroaches.
There are some people who are like, cockroach bole, you know, like cockroaches have survived through so many generations and resilient and all that. Matlab, as if it was his intent to say we are resilient, whatever.
So like they should also think about the nation's reputation.
And also, rather than saving their own reputation, coming from a educated man and who is at this really high post, I would expect a bit of responsibility. You know, if you tell me tomorrow morning I get up and that the founder of CJP has been arrested on the airport, I will believe it. You know, how I'm seeing it currently, a lot of people are being driven by this emotion that they have successfully, you know, brought out with their campaign about the frustration. And at some point, it's really fair that you're keeping out your frustration and you're really open about it, really transparent about it, what a large section of the youth wants. But then, if as Gen Z ki sarkar, if we are again being driven by emotions, it will not be a very different scene from right now. It's just that the emotions will change. I am not saying that a Gen Z sarkar is bad. I'm just saying I hope it is not driven by emotion but motive for administrative change.
मुझे लग रहा है हम दोनों को सीट एक्सचेंज करनी चाहिए. अब तू पढ़ेंगे, आप पढ़ोगे सारी न्यूज़ और मेरे को समझाओगे.
The youth का voice कॉकरोच जनता पार्टी, I just wish वो लोग सक्सेस हो जाए और अपना यूथ का वॉइस बाहर आए.
अगर यूथ का वॉइस बाहर आ गया तो वो लोग तो लाइक कहीं के नहीं रहे.
मलेशिया और ऑस्ट्रेलिया, तुम्हें पता है उधर 16 साल के नीचे के बच्चों को सोशल मीडिया अलाउड नहीं है यूज करना. तुम्हें लगता है कि एक सर्टेन एज के बाद तुम्हें सोशल मीडिया चलाना, तुम्हारा एक्सपोजर सोशल मीडिया से होना चाहिए या जितना जल्दी हो सके उतना अच्छा?
इट्स लाइक अपॉन देम. अभी क्योंकि मेरी दोस्त है तो उसके घर पे रेस्ट्रिक्शंस है चलाने के लिए कि अभी तक इंस्टा नहीं 10th के बाद. सो लाइक इट्स अपॉन देम अगर चाहिए तो नहीं.
आपका
It also depends on how you use it. If you use it in the right manner, it is very good and helpful. But if you don't use it correctly, it has many disadvantages. So
आपके हिसाब से राइट मैनर क्या हुआ?
ज़्यादा मत देखो. If you want to, you can use it for your research or something like helpful.
क्वाइट मैच्योर ऑफ यू गाइस. मैं झूठ नहीं बोलूँगा, जब मैं पहली बार सोशल मीडिया पे आया था उस टाइम पे हमारी एक एज लिमिट हुआ करती थी कि तुम 15 या 16 साल के होंगे ना तब तुम यूज़ कर सकते हो. तो मैंने नकली एज डाली थी मेरी और मैंने सबसे पहले फ्रेंड रिक्वेस्ट भेजी थी अक्षय कुमार को.
I'm not on Insta.
Because it feels like an addiction afterwards. So better stay away.
मैं खुद को देखूँ तो मैं भी बहुत देखती हूँ, तो फिर इट्स लाइक बेटर कि 16 years के बाद देखो, इट्स बेटर.
When you're on social media, regardless of your age, you know, you have access to all sorts of content. At a young age, you're exposed to say certain type of content, then it may eventually again take a toll on your studies and your behavior, and it is definitely a good move because you can't just simply restrict something so big like social media by just saying it. I think at some point legislative measures were required.
I feel like पूरा restrict मत करो. The child will feel rebellious against it and they will have a deeper curiosity कि अभी तो मुझे करना ही है. And it is natural. At this age, you can feel rebellious when something is like no to you.
What about brain rot? It is about brain rot.
Yeah. It's really addictive. ऐसे लगता है ओ आलू की मम्मी चली गई कि
तुमको पता है आलू की मम्मी क्या कर रही है अभी?
No, last thing I knew was Ganji Chudel. Aren't the videos AI generated like the?
Yeah, most of them.
No, because half the time I'll be busy saying कि इसके 4 फिंगर है कि 5 फिंगर है. दांत की लाइन बराबर है क्या?
वहाँ गए हम मार्केट में गए तो वो कहती क्या खिलाओगे? मगर तू बता क्या खाएगी? हाँ. तो हमने चिकन बिरयानी खाई, वो हाई होगी 360-370 रुपए की. फिर वो कहती घर छोड़ाओ. मगर यार 370 लगे हैं, मगर वसूलता करूँगा।
The one who said, like really, it's so awful to say like this. एक लड़की को 300, I don't know what the amount is, उसके लिए करना is very bad. और फिर प्रणीत में उससे सपोर्ट करना और हंसना उससे भी गंदा था. But this is like
Not something to laugh about.
Yeah, not really something to laugh. और वहाँ के जितने भी लोग थे सब हंस रहे थे.
If you're doing something, you know, you're doing something and demanding or like expecting something in return, you're not doing it out of generosity or humanity, then you crib about it. It's a bit nonsensical, and I think it goes both ways also for both genders. If you're doing something out of purely selfish needs, expecting something in return, and then doing an identity assassination of the other person, you really need to think what you're speaking, what you're doing.
I felt more like angry more than sad, because the self-respect of the girl is not just like for whatever the cost of the biryani is. You should always respect the person, not any gender, I would say, and keep your intentions right.
Yeah.
How did he have the audacity to say something in his like in such a big show?
It's also because a thought like this is getting a platform on social media where
Now it's
it
also
is
being amplified.
Yeah, but there are people of your age who would see it and then they were like, ये तो हंस रहे इस बात पे, मतलब बहुत ही cool बात होगी है, और वो फिर ये और promote करेंगे.
And it's also like कि once you see someone doing something and they're not penalized for it, then you think, okay, this is normal. And then once you normalize things, then it also gets, you know, fortified as a socially acceptable thing.
अगर तुम्हारे सामने आदमी होता तो तुम उसे क्या कहते?
थोड़ी शर्म कर ले.
इतनी मस्त मारी होती कि like I wouldn't really want to speak shit, but yeah.
हम सब चढ़ जाते हैं इस पे because कैसे बोला उसने इसे. I like अभी बस ये सीन निकला है, सिनेरियो निकला है, बट और कितने हो गए जो निकला भी नहीं होगा बाहर. So unsafe for the women to walk on the road if it's empty. It's like इतना डर लगता है किसी लड़की को because of the men's, the mentality of the men's. It's really bad.
I'll also blame a part of it to the generation, like बेटी को घर में रखो, बेटी को. They never see the men's viewpoint.
Yeah.
They should change their thought. It's not like that the mother will teach the boy, don't do such things.
When the parents are saying कि don't go out, and what are the parents thinking? At the end it will be a man. That's a generalized idea that a man will at the end somehow harm the child, and it's really out of concern. But then when you say not all men, who are you afraid of?
Men only.
Yeah, so we should, generalization definitely not a good thing. But then also when men as a community, they accept that what is going on and we need to change it so that it is a more inclusive society, so then I'll be really happy. By just pushing not all men, people can get away with it. If you are saying not all men, then come forward and do something.
Also, I feel many parents, they are ashamed to discuss such things with their children.
Yeah.
They like, you'll grow up, you'll get to know by experience, or maybe you'll get to know when you step out of the world. But till then, I feel it will be so late for that person that they can doubt their self-respect and they'll doubt their inner confidence. It is a shameful topic. Teach and normalize it by talking and teaching the person that this is wrong and this shouldn't happen.
And this thing should reach some parts where the moms are like, but लड़की लोग like they prioritize their boys more. Like the girls are okay, but they prioritize their boys more. So they like, I just hope that ये message जो है वो लोग के पास पहुँचे.
So thank you for coming in and watching this video, and I'm really proud to tell you that this is one of the most profound conversations that we have ever had. आज के समाचार समाप्त हुए.
Like this video.
Share this video.
And subscribe to the channel.
Ting. समाचार.